How to refund on Allchinabuy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. As of now, the only way for you to be able to get a refund on any items that you purchase in ChinaBuy or Allchinabuy is by going through their help center and contacting them. So if you check out their help center over here, we should be able to get some after sales over here or this section over here where you will be able to communicate with them through email or through chat over here, as you can see. And what you're going to do is you're going to inform them of your concern, give them your order number and so on and so forth, and give them the reason why you want to refund your item. As of now, that's the only way for anyone to get a refund in All China Buy. You have to communicate with the people that are managing All China Buy. So aside from that, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.